So Tommy says, can you run 604 headers on a 602? Yes, but as far as the bolts the bolt locations will fit, but the exhaust ports, and I wouldn't do it with Profabs because they're CNC flange, but with other ones where it's like a solid flange, but you're going to block off part of the port.
Yeah, I mean, some header brands you can, but usually on the ones that are actually precision done, like such as the Profabs, the bolt alignment versus the port height is going to be different between the two engines.
Yeah, so it's not going to gain you anything. BA actually has one of theirs that is kind of universal before the 602 and 604. For the guys that are going to go back and forth.
Right.
But for getting, especially with the Profabs, I mean, you're just not going to want to spend that much money for a precision part that is only going to halfway get you there.
Right.
That's just the honest truth.